Once again. Can I just have a mic, please? The mic is... de do. Thank you. Please, Urvashi, have a seat. Ellie, just have a seat, then we'll just go ahead. Yeah. थोड़ा और पास. Yeah, please, okay.
Yeah.
Urvashi is, like I said, कि ये एक एक करके ना लोगों की विश लिस्ट पर आप और ऊपर जाते जा रहे हो, and that's how it's always been. मैं हर बार जब आपसे मिलता हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि you're trying so hard and you always manage to succeed. So now that you are the it girl in Bollyland और सब लोग चाहते हैं कि उर्वशी के साथ we should make some kind of a project. How does it feel now?
हमने जब काम किया दुबई में 2 days का शूट था हमारा, so it was fantabulous working with her, and I personally wish her all the success in her forthcoming projects, whatever she's doing, and obviously रब्बा करे. अभी गाना है, आप सब प्लीज प्यार करिए, शेयर करिए. थोड़ी मार्केटिंग करना चाहूंगा यहाँ पर.
थोड़ी we can do lots of.
I know.
उर्वशी 2 दिन के शूट में पहले 2 घंटे कैसे रहता है? You met Shail over there. Of course, we've known Shail for a period of time also. As a singer and as an artist, we've always known him. First 2 hours, how is it? How was it meeting Shail?
I have to say that when I met him, I told my parents that I'm working with him, and they were really over the moon, and they were very happy because they love him, and they told me, "Are you're working with Shail Oswal? Okay, you don't have to worry." That's what exactly they said, that you don't have to worry. And right from that moment, I didn't worry at all. And it has been such a smooth ride. I think I find him really very unique because apart from being truly super successful, businessman, at the same time, how do we say, आजकल वो song trend चल रहा है ना, millionaire. So I would say that, he is such a successful businessman, but in every successful businessman, you'll find this one thing, that they lack the creative part, which I don't know from where he gets this so perfectly. He has this such a emotional, very gentle, very such a great music sense, and he is very high on creativity, and that's where we really blend it all together. But at the same time, he is so good in what he does, which is his original business. So I think it's a great mix, and this is a kind of a mix which it's really hard to find, and he's the rarest one.
इतनी बढ़ाई.
मैं बोल रहा सर.
Thank you, Urvashi.
Absolutely right.
No, but so kind of her. I'm really kind of you. Thank you so much. And likewise, same goes for her. The amazing human being, amazing person. I saw her that song, Sanam Re. One thing good about Urvashi is that she can mold herself into any character. तो इसमें थोड़ा डिफरेंट हमने कोशिश की कि we have to show her भाई that simplified kind of that zone, right? इतना अच्छा बन के आया तो we all are happy यार. बस अभी तो अब आपके ऊपर है.
इन सब के ऊपर है, but it's a large team that was involved in making the track also. Was this an immediate yes? Like ऐसा था multiple versions इसके बने थे, या फिर जैसे कई बार होता है ना, you're not back and forth चलते रहता है, ऐसा हुआ था इसमें या immediately yes हो गया था?
नहीं, I think immediately. Yeah, we had the story, we had the screenplay ready. And so once she was on board, that's it. We just shot 2 days and yeah.
I like the arrangement of the track also. Beach mein, a lot of the songs that you have, I have this love story vibe to it. This has a nice groove to it also.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of electronic element that goes into it.
Yeah.
So whose idea was that?
This was completely my music composer. Actually, I went back to my old team from Hirie. So Vidu Goswami, so I call him Viduda, he's a Bengali. तो मैंने कहा दादा कुछ अलग करते हैं, जेन जी का कुछ करते हैं, थोड़ा अपबीट करते हैं, मुझे ना वो मेलो नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, रोमांटिक गाना करेंगे, but again I have this vision that let's make this track a little, like as you rightly said, electronic, little upbeat guitars. तो वो फिर उन्होंने कुछ बना के मुझे भिजवाया. So we were jamming यार, 2-3 आई melodies. फिर final I thought that this is the one we should.
It saw very nicely. Just before
thank you so much.
Also, the public also. What is on your playlist right now, Urvashi? You're traveling, like Shail said, you're always traveling. क्या सुनते हो? Because I know you're not doing the meetings that your team is doing.
I might travel after this as well.
Immediately. अभी गोवा होगा ना, yeah. But I want to understand what is on your playlist. क्या सुनते रहते हो? Music सुनते हो या फिर script readings चलती रहती है? क्या चलता है?
नहीं, I'm a big time music lover, and I've been hearing a lot of Sabrina Carpenter's tracks these days.
Wow.
And I just like, I so love her music, be it like espresso or any kind of songs. I think Sabrina Carpenter's
Nice.
music. And I've also been hearing a lot of Tylaz, a lot of like Afro music, and a lot of what do we say, Korean pop. I like. So
You
I like
throw
that.
so many
Mm.
good
मैं
things,
एक
and I
चीज-
expected something totally different.
I'm sorry I'm interrupting, but I have to say this. Urvashi had told me that she's also a singer and she sings. I really, I was so impressed, and I asked her like, what genre of music do you like? She's like, I love these, melodies, and तो मैंने कहा कमाल की बात है ये. I've not heard her singing, but I would love to, someday. I mean, whenever, I
एक
told her.
एल्बम काटने का टाइम आ गया है. उर्वशी,
नहीं मुझे इतना, और देखो उत्तराखंड से है तो वहां तो वैसे भी संगीत तो लोगों के जहन में है, क्योंकि मैं नैनीताल में शूट कर रहा था, मुझे याद है वहां पर आई मीन पहाड़ों में ना एक्चुअली म्यूजिक की सेंस बहुत होती है लोगों को. आई हैव सीन दैट एंड आई थिंक मे बी शी इज फ्रॉम दैट स्टेट, ब्यूटीफुल स्टेट, एंड शी हैज दैट सेंस एंड शी सिंग्स. दैट वाज द मोस्ट अमेजिंग थिंग so
एक, हो जाए हमारे इनके लिए थोड़ा सा. I'll just
अरे
have
please you have to. I would love to. Love to.
I'll have a little bit for. This is dedicated to him.
Oh, thank you so much.
And
That's what I love about you.
everyone.
आप always ready रहते हैं. This is the best part. हो जाए.
It is a lot of people will not understand it, but it's like a bit different. Though I'm not ready, but let's go ahead. Alieri Ari piya bena Alieri Ari piya bena सखी जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनो रतिया खटत मोहे तारे गिन गिन एरी आरी पिया बिन सखी एरी आरी पिया बिन.
Unrehearsed. Live. I have
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
wonderful. उर्वशी, मेरे पास लाइव सिंगर्स आ जाते हैं, मेरे रेडियो स्टूडियो में आते हैं, मेरे टेलीविजन स्टूडियो में आते हैं, और वो नहीं गाने को तैयार रहते हैं यार. और वो बोलते हैं गला खराब है मेरा. So fantastic. Shell, now she sung. You have to sing. रब्बा करे.
This was for him.
मैं
Wonderful, so wonderful.
एक गाना गाना चाहूंगा. चलो ये है यहाँ पर and आप भी सब हैं. So the song actually which kind of changed my perception, for love songs, and जहाँ शुरुआत हुई थी मेरी. So I'll sing few lines of Hiri. तू ही जिंद मेरी है, दिल दा करार नी. तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता, तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता, उड़कदा मैं तेरा रास्ता. सोनिए हीरिए तेरी याद आंदी है, सीने विच तड़पदा है दिल जान जांदी है. थैंक यू.
Flashback हो गया हमारा.
अरे वाह.
Before I open out, we'd love to hear Rabba Kare also. A couple of lines would be nice. Yeah.
We can play with the music actually. Upbeat है ना? With the music we can play. I mean I can sing with the music.
Yeah,
है ना थोड़ा
play ना.
उसपे एक
गाना
got
सुना
that-
दो.
थोड़ा- ऐसा कुछ होवे तेरा दिल मैं बन जावा, धड़कू मैं तुझ में हमेशा, इस काबिल मैं बन जावा. मन्नतों को रहमतों में यारा तू बदल दे जरा, मेरे माही माही सुन मेरे माही, तेरे साथ साथ रहना. मेरे दिल की आस हर एक साथ सब तेरे नाम लिखना. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Urvashi.
Hello,
How are
hi.
you, Shail?
Hello.
Why are you standing so far
No,
away?
no, no. Sorry. I'm.
No, you should be close
बिल्कुल
to
बिल्कुल
the.
जी मैं.
Close to you?
Yeah, no. To
Yes,
the,
yes.
To the
No,
heroine
actually I was
of,
standing. I could see you better.
Rabba-
So now I'm going to be here.
Rabba
Yes.
Kare.
Rabba Kare ji.
So how was your experience, dancing with such a beautiful Urvashi who gives a tough competition even to the Hollywood heroines?
Honestly, when I came to know she's on board, so I did aggressive rehearsals for 2 days. For the, especially ये तो ठीक था, but that the one step, where I do this, all that, like then going forward. But if you see her performance, she's so natural. I think because she's already, she knows the skills, she knows the camera, how to. तो मेरे लिए dance इतना मैंने कभी किया नहीं. So for me, it was a little difficult, initially. But I think, thanks to her support, we did it.
Well, appreciating her craft, her performance, definitely she is very exuberant while dancing. But weren't you smitten by her?
Anybody would be. I think not me. I think anyone.
What was the ratio that you were smitten to if I ask you out of 10?
I think I would give 9.5.
Oh my God.
Definitely.
That's great.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Yeah.
अभी वो जो
Ashish, would you like to add something about Shail?
As I already previously stated, that I think it's kind of rare, like only 1% out of 100% population, where you see and find a very successful, hyper successful businessman at the same time who is a creative genius as well. He is so good with the soulful, romantic tracks. At the same time, he's very versatile as well. So I think for me, creatively, it was such a great joy working on the sets, and plus at the same time, he was just so super supportive, and he was a great energy to be on sets with. Yeah.
Thank you for the sweet words.
It's a lovely mutual admiration society, but it works that
Hana?
way also. Yes, absolutely. Best. Yes, anybody else?
Yes. Shell, Urvashi, congratulations for Rabba Kare.
Thank you.
Hello.
Shell,
Thank
I
you.
must say, whether it's Hiriye, Soniye, whether it's Rabba Kare, tell me about this, your love for these emotional, heartfelt songs. Are you a die-hard romantic at heart, or does it come in very naturally to you?
No, I am definitely romantic at heart. And, actually I grew up listening to Nazia Hassan and Zoe Hassan. So these songs, Biddu was actually my first album came out with Biddu. And I think listening to those songs when I was very young, like 6-7 years old, Chehra, Jana, so I think wahan se ek shuruaat hui, and then I think I just love the essence of, the melodies, the lyrics. Lyrics are very important for me, I think, because when I used to hear Zoe and Nazia, even in their songs, lyrics were the most important part. And for Biddu, lyrics were very important. So I think thanks to Biddu and the entire journey.
but tell me very honestly, did you imagine Soniye, Hiriye to be such a timeless classic and get so much of enduring love?
I never thought that, honestly, because Hiriye was dropped at the time. There's so many remixes happening. And I told my team that, guys, kya kar rahe ho aap log? Koi nahi sunne wala ye gana. They're like, nahi, aap na just listen to the melody. So Dada came to the office at Carter Road, and he got his peti, harmonium. And he said, "Baitho." Okay, bait gaye. Then he started playing, some tunes. I said, "Ha, theek hai, it's nice." He's like, "Just sing this song in the studio. Rest you leave it to me, and then you hear the final mix." So when I heard the final mix, I had goosebumps. But I never knew that this song will reach, that milestone. I think thanks to everybody here. I think people who understand melodies and soulful songs. We just tried our best. I think it happened. I think thanks to the universe.
Can I please also add a
Please,
little bit
please,
thing?
yeah.
I have to say one more thing, that it's kind of tough for any artist, be it like a singer, musician, or an actor, to have such a, I would say, like a lifelong evergreen classic. And you have that already. So you are really very lucky and very blessed that you have something like a Hiriye, which is such a timeless classic. Yeah.
I think it's like DDLJ.
Yes.
Like a movie. When I was shooting for my earlier songs, I remember the whole team was there. Kunal Kohli, Saroj Khanji was there. So we stayed at Sanan in Switzerland, at the same hotel where the whole DDLJ team was there. So I'm just, kind of just recalling into the whole thing. And I think, as she rightly said that it is difficult to create something, but sometimes you know what happens. That control is not in your hands. So the song, yeah.
Divine power.
You mean to say this song?
Yeah, he's reminding him of the late 90s kind of
No,
music.
actually, you're absolutely right. क्योंकि ये इस गाने में मैंने purposely थोड़ी essence रखी थी 90s का, क्योंकि I belong to that era, and I think 90s was the best time for the music industry. I feel that for the pop music industry, independent pop music industry, and but then I thought थोड़ा आज का भी we have to have that little Gen Z, little bit of that beat happening. So gathered everything together. I think it came out different, and I hope now people will enjoy it. Actually, for me, sound should reach. See, views, I've seen so many songs, जिसके, views कुछ खास होते नहीं है, but the sound has reached. लोग ये बोले यार वो गाना सुना. So then actually that the song has reached, So I hope आपने अच्छी बात बोली 90s की, काश आज की generation भी उसको connect करे. That.
करेगी, social media के through करेगी. That's
Yeah,
how it's
yeah.
happening these days, pretty much. Yeah.
Hi, you're this side. Hello. Hi, this is
Hello.
Asta from Awesome TV. The song is absolutely awesome as well.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
My question goes out to you, Shahel. You're a successful businessman as well as singer, and you've been singing also since a long time, and you're doing business also since a long time. How do you manage to, engage with both of them, and how do you manage to?
I think it's just your simple thought process. I've never thought so much about my other part of the business. I mean, when I'm singing, it's completely I'm in this zone, and I think my team knows. So the other, those people know that okay, when Shahel is doing something in the studio, he's creating something. Let's not bother him because I'm not in that space. So I think, and Touchwood, I have a good team, so they understand, my direction towards certain things. That's how I balance. I think it's just in your mind.
So it's easy going.
It was tough initially, but I think now it's I made myself a little bit more. Go with the flow kind of a, like person. So I think I can manage it. Yeah.
The most important part is that the person has to be completely sorted in their brains, in their head.
That's what I said. Yeah, it's just on your. Yeah, I think it's just on your mind. I think how you balance things. Sorry.
Not at all. I mean, I think.
I am at some point of time. I think everybody has to, but that's okay. I think they understand कि चलो ठीक है. गुस्सा थोड़ी देर के लिए आता है. बाद में फिर प्यार ही बहुत करता हूँ उनको मैं. So I think that's important.
उर्वशी, you're this side. Also, I wanted to ask that आपका भी कोई singing में debut हो सकता है क्या? आपका और शहल जी का साथ में ऐसा लग रहा है?
Yes, for sure. Like an international.
No, actually, she had mentioned to me when we were shooting in Dubai, and I would love to, and I think because I know she's extremely busy with all engagements, she has right now. But whenever she has sukoon ka time, then when I think, well, actually, वो भी लिखा है, जो होना है वो होगा. I think maybe universe got us connected. When she came, she spoke to me about her music, her skills of singing. And then she told me she's doing a lot of international projects as well. And I think maybe I'll be a part of that, a small part of her collaboration. I would love to.
Thank you.
Check. Okay. Any more? Or should we wrap?
Okay.
Lipika ji, she's already shot it. I think so. अभी वो पूरा बता नहीं सकती आपको. Maybe.
अरे तू चुप रहना. Shell, you have to go back home. Working with such a beautiful lady, is your wife not going to be insecure? What was her, I mean, what did she tell you when you cast her?
No. I think it's a complete trust. And, she herself is an actress and she's done so many movies and she's been behind the camera. So I think, sorry, in front of the camera, I'm so sorry. So I think, for her, when Urvashi, anybody else, एक trust factor होता है. I think it's about we are acting, right? I mean we are there, and it's a nice a very nice atmosphere when everybody is together. And she, as I said, being an actress, she's been there, done that, and now she's here writing my stories or creating the complete video. I think it's fine. I think it's trust. No. I can't see. That's why
Lipika ji today is on a roll.
I know.
गाड़ी में सवार, fifth gear.
But Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I'll take the mics and we
Thank you.
take some pictures.
And guys, Maharaj P, Meri Aane Wali film with Balakrishna Garu, Bobby Deol in it. It is produced by Sitara Entertainments and directed by Bobby Kohli ji. Thank you so much for giving such an amazing response to the teaser of Daku Maharaj. More than 1.3 crore views, and for making it on the top trending list at the same time. Isme, I do have a lot of action sequences, and I play a police officer. So you'll get to see me in a very completely different avatar. और हमारी फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली है मकर संक्रांति को, तो जैसे कि आप उस बारे में पूछ रहे थे, तो प्लीज देखिए एंड डू लेट मी नो व्हाट यू फील अबाउट डाकू महाराज. थैंक यू.
ये तो ट्रेंड हो रहा है बाय द वे ऑन Instagram. It's already started. Congratulations. So it's all Rabak.
आपने तो actually, you know, for me, I never knew the meaning of trending. Actually, you know, हम तो गाने बनाते थे, and I think we should think that okay, we made a song from the heart, let people love it, share it, and but now actually reels and you know all these things really matter a lot. So I'm happy. I'm happy people are liking the song. I won't say loving. Loving maybe will come a little later. You know, I don't want to be too pompous about what I say. So I think it's a melody. It'll take some time for it to grow. Hiri also took some time to grow. Any melody. So hopefully it will keep on growing.
Listen, if a track of yours is still being sung after 18 years, that's called forever trend. Cult classic ban chuka hai wo.
Yeah.
So you've already.
And I want to thank Salil for that, because I remember for Hiri, before you had made me the singer of the nation, and he did Kadak, full volume, और भी कुछ थे.
Every show possible.
हाँ. He was the main guy. कड़क में जाओ, ये बैठे हैं, full volume में. Yeah, again I see you here. You know, it's like amazing. I think
बाकी सबको निकाल दिया था ना एक ही बजा था. तो वही.
Of you is, what is that one beautiful memory of Rabba Kare that you will cherish forever?
I think I'd say a couple of beautiful memories, especially when we shot in that beautiful island away. It was.
It's called the World Island.
Yes.
They have 7 different continents. So we chose this Lebanese.
Yeah,
you know?
Lebanon.
Lebanon. Yeah.
So we shot in this really exotic world island, and it is such a cute and small, sweet island. And we all were there. I think there were not so many people.
Not too many people.
But it was so aloof, very peaceful, and also had the great energy on sets like you and Shell's energy. So I think it was really amazing while shooting in the island and doing our shots, enjoying the beautiful water, the sea, and the cruise. So I think that was a really nice moment we all shared together.
I'll just say one thing. Parul was there. I mean, looking at her, actually you feel very energetic. You know, she has that, pushing, that power or something. You know, and she's gifted with that. Yeah.
Exactly.
Shell, aapki memory?
My memory is like obviously with Urvashi. I think, she's part of this video. I did want to work with her for the longest time, and I think I told Firoz Bhai also, when he told me, I said, no, you try to contact Urvashi first. I think that's our first choice. And luckily she was free. She could, give her dates to us, and she came and she conquered.
Thank you. Also, I'd like to add celebrating Diwali.
Oh,
At
yeah,
our
yeah.
place.
We actually,
it was
yeah,
so
yeah.
good. Like we celebrated Diwali.
Yeah,
we
yeah,
had
yeah.
like our own moment with Diya and crackers. And
Yeah. We did. Yeah.
blasted
Yes. I know suddenly that bomb.
Yeah, exactly.
An hour.
Yeah. So we experimented a lot.
Yeah.
At the Diwali time.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.